Hi, I am Anurag Peter, here with
Loretta Franzoni.
We are from Kisumu Academy, and our project is the Drowsiness Alert Device for industrial workers. A simple, affordable, and life-saving solution designed to prevent workplace accidents caused by fatigue and sleepiness.
In many industries, workers operate heavy machinery for long hours. They get tired or start to fall asleep. Even for just a few seconds, the results could be tragic. Injuries, accidents, or even death. Unfortunately, most workplaces don't have real-time monitoring systems to detect drowsiness, which leaves workers at serious risk. We believe improving safety in these environments supports SDG 3, good health and well-being, by reducing injuries, and also contributes to SDG 8, decent work and economic growth, by creating a safer and more productive workplace.
We created a device that uses an IR eye blink sensor connected to an Arduino Uno. It constantly monitors the worker's eyes, and if they stay closed for more than 2 seconds, which is longer than a normal eye blink, the system activates a buzzer and an LED to instantly alert them. It's a small, wearable, and easy to build that does not require Wi-Fi or internet. This makes it perfect for industries in Kenya and other regions, where simple, affordable innovation can make a big difference, supporting SDG 9 industry innovation and infrastructure.
Many factories only rely on supervision or training which cannot detect drowsiness in real time. Our device is different. It gives immediate alerts and acts before the accident happens. It's also very affordable and made with locally available components and does not need any expensive setup. Compared to the international systems that are costly and complex, our solution is designed for local use with easy maintenance and high impact. It's smart, practical, and scalable.
We are a passionate and focused team that understands both the technical and human sides of this problem. We've already built a working prototype, tested it, and even visited Kibos Sugar Factory to see how it would work in real industrial conditions. We care deeply about protecting workers, and we believe in innovation doesn't have to be expensive to be powerful. With our commitment and growing experience, we are ready to take this solution further.
Thank you for listening to our pitch.
With our Drowsiness Alert device, we aim to reduce accidents, support sustainable development, and make workplaces safer in Kenya and beyond. Let's build a safer, smarter future together.